Okay, now we will create lead magnets, but maybe you are not sure if you are creating a free ebook, a webinar, a video series, maybe a report, or what is the best lead magnet you can use for your buyer persona, for your target audience. So we will ask ChatGPT, now that it knows the buyer persona, we can ask, okay, what are some ideas for lead magnets that we can use? What are kind of lead magnets we can use for your target audience? So we just ask directly, what are some examples of lead magnets I can use for this buyer, for my buyer persona, for example. Let's see what we have. Great questions. Here are some ideas. So free ebook, get a free ebook that provides tips and some strategy to optimizing digital marketing, blah, blah, blah. Webinar, excellent. Checklist, create a checklist that outlines the essential steps to create a successful digital marketing campaign. Great idea. Free trial, that's another idea for free lead magnet. So if you have a service, let's say you have a service of planning your ad strategy, for example. That's your service. So you can offer a free planning, a free customized plan for this specific lead if they leave their information, their name and email. Usually the conversion are higher because you are offering some free lead magnet that has great value for them, okay? Also case studies, quiz, template, provide a free template or guide that create effective digital marketing assets such as social media posts, email newsletter. So we are going probably, let's try a few of them here. So let's go first with the checklist. So I will just copy this checklist and I will say, help me create, and I paste here checklist to use as a lead magnet. Okay, you see here, create a checklist that outlines the essential steps of creating a successful digital marketing campaign. Let's see what we have. Sure, here is a checklist. You see here, number 1, target audience. Number 2 is creating your free lead magnet. Of course, this is not ready to send to your audience. You need to copy this information that ChatGPT is generating for us here, and you can paste that on maybe an infographic. Maybe you can create actually a checklist. You go to canva.com and you see the checklist there. Let me show you, it's really easy to do. Canva.com, we search for checklist. Let's see if we have a template for checklist. We do. So you see here, and there are a lot of templates for checklists that you can just click on any that is free, or you can pay for it if you want. Most of them are free, the one that you like. And let's say we like this one, and we can customize, we can start editing this checklist with information that we just created on ChatGPT. Fantastic. So immediately you already have a free lead magnet of high value that you can offer to your audience. Let's say we don't want to use we like the checklist, we will use that one, but we also like to use the free ebook. I mean, but when you think about writing an ebook, that's a complex task, right? So let's ask ChatGPT here, please help me to write an ebook to use as a lead magnet. And I will paste what I copy from the ChatGPT suggestion here, saying free ebook, offer a free ebook that provide tips for optimizing digital marketing efforts, tailored to small business owner and entrepreneurs, which is actually my buyer persona. So I will edit this, I will delete this, and I will say, let's see here, lead magnet, an ebook. Okay. So write me an ebook as a lead magnet, an ebook that provides tips and strategies to optimize digital marketing effort. Let's see what we have. And usually it won't write the whole ebook right there. It will show you the title of the ebook, the chapters, the specific topics for each chapter. So now that you have the structure, you have the outline of the ebook as you are seeing here on screen, you can go and create each separate section, and I will show you how to do that. It's super easy. In a few minutes, you will have the whole ebook ready for you. So first step, you see here, Title, the Small Business Owner Guide to Optimizing Your Digital Marketing Efforts. Wonderful. If I am a small business owner, which I am because I'm my buyer persona is a small business owner, they identify immediately with the title. You will like this specific ebook. You see here, chapter 1, understanding your target audience. Chapter 2, setting your digital marketing goals. Chapter 3, choosing the digital marketing channels, blah, blah, blah. All is here for them, and you have bullet points. So first thing, you copy this outline to Word or to any document or any software where you can edit text, like Google Docs, Word, that's up to you. And once you have that, we will ask ChatGPT to write each chapter. We can go here and say, copy this, chapter 1 with the bullet points, and we come here and say, write this chapter in details. Also, talk about each one of the bullet points. Okay, and just coming up here on the fly with some prompts for ChatGPT. So you can optimize this even more if you want. Okay, you can give more details. So you see here, chapter 1, understand your target audience. You see, it's writing everything for us. And you can also, if it's not long enough, if you think it's not long enough, you can ask ChatGPT to make it 2,000 words or 5,000 words or 10,000 words. It's up to you. So you can determine all these details. And you can come also here and expand in some areas. So you see that chapter 1 is ready. So we just copy and paste on your Word document, save, go now and create chapter 2, chapter 3. And at the end of 10 minutes, guys, you will have a complete ebook about how small business owners can optimize their digital marketing efforts step by step. This is how you create a free lead magnet. Of course, if you want to do like, let's go back to the list here. If you want to do a webinar or a case study or a quiz or a template, let's say we want a webinar, we can just ask ChatGPT, okay, ChatGPT, I choose to create a lead magnet that is a webinar. Please give me ideas and detailed information or write the script for the webinar. It's word by word, everything that I need to say on camera or when I'm doing the webinar. You can do that too, so you don't even need to think about it. You will just optimize it, edit, and make sure it gets to your customers' heart, which is the main goal of this free lead magnet. So far in the marketing funnel, we know the buyer persona, we define that. Number 2, we have already your lead magnet, your free lead magnet. So now we are going to the next step, and the next step is creating the landing page copy using ChatGPT to convert visitors into leads, okay? We will do that in the next video.